So we got 2.5 days to have this completely roofed. It's a tight timeline, but we're gonna get it done because that's when all the kitchen equipment is coming in. Good morning from Glen Head, New York. We are here doing this beautiful synthetic cedar job. We're removing the old cedar roof. It's about 15 years old. It was showing signs that it was time to get replaced, and the homeowners made the decision that they only want to replace this roof one time. So we're going to put a 50-year Brava synthetic shake roof on here. Let's take a look around the property and see what we're working with. So you can see over here, there's a brand newly constructed pool house. They permitted this out, they got the pool ready. We're gonna do a mix of Brava cedar shake as well as standing seam metal roofing. Now this house is massive, it's in a horseshoe shape, so it's gonna take a couple minutes. I hope you guys have time if you wanna see the whole thing, come on over. So we're starting with the back because we're working with Paul's Nursery. You can see right there, there's a sign, Paul's Nursery brought us in to do this roof. And we've kind of got to work. There's a lot of work going on at the house. So we're starting with the back because they're getting new kitchen equipment coming in through here. So our goal is to have this whole section done in the next 3 days so all the interior kitchen stuff can come into the house uninterrupted. They're pretty much rebuilding this entire home, and I'm super happy that we're a part of it. Have you ever seen a house with 2 front doors? Because this house in the shape of a horseshoe, it has 2 front doors. This looks like the front of the house, right? We have the main driveway over here. What if I told you this was the side of the house? Look how beautiful this is. Now we're coming to the front of the house. So here we go, here's the front. You got doors over here, you got doors over there. This place is massive. You know, and looking at a project like this, there's a couple of things that need to be considered, right? There's going to be a lot of debris coming from the roof. We have to think about how we're going to protect the gutters. So a common question that we get is, like, in an area like this, where does the roof end and the siding begin? So you can see where the windows are straight up and down. That's considered the siding. Over here on the left side as well, under those turret windows, that's all new siding. So we're not going to be touching that. We have to be able to plan to rip all the shingles underneath the new siding without damaging the siding itself. A lot of mansard style houses like this don't have a good ventilation system, but this house was built well. You can see underneath here, it has all of those vents. That allows the cool air to come in from the outside and naturally push the hot air up. So we're going to install a ridge vent system on this house. The ridge vent is going to allow the hot air to be pushed up naturally through the roof. So the plan is to get this done in 3 days. From there, we're going to work on the garage because the homeowners are going away on vacation. The vehicles aren't going to be in the driveway. So we're going to do the garage after that. Once the garage is done, we're going to move on to the pool house because they have some other work that's going around the house. So it's an intricate job, a bunch of moving pieces. Make sure you stick around, see this project through to its completion. It's going to be absolutely beautiful. I cannot wait to see what this house turns into with a new Brava cedar shake roof. All right, so it's morning of day 2. Guys did a great job ripping and cleaning this whole area yesterday. We got all the blue skin up, underlayments are done. We're starting to work on all of the copper detail. We're doing copper drip edges. We're gonna have copper valleys up there. We got all of our materials staged up right over here to take care of this section, the rest of the materials across the house. Things are going good. Timeline's looking a little tight. By the end of the day tomorrow, we've got to have all of this roof because they're bringing in that kitchen equipment. So we got all hands on deck right here, 2 guys per section, trying to get this area done so we can work well with the general contractor because we definitely want to do more work with them. But yeah, I mean, what else is there to say? It's a roof. This is the Brava cedar shake roofing system in 60 seconds or less. It all starts with the underlayment. Henry blue skin. This is watertight for months and months. Important to use when you're doing a project that takes several weeks. All right, next we have our starter strip shingles. These go on the eaves and the rakes to keep the first row from having a seam. You can see the back is solid because that's the exposed portion on the roof. a majority of your roof is going to be covered in these Brava cedar shake tiles, which have this cut in the back to save on materials. However, on even the rake edges, you need what's called solids. These are completely solid on the back, so when you look up at the roof, you can't see those marks. At the top of the roof, you cap it with a hip and ridge shingle, which is made to mold, fit the roof pitch perfectly. Everything needs to be secured with stainless steel. We have coil nails for the main roof. We have hand nails for those hard to reach places. And last but not least, if you're going Brava, you gotta go copper. Copper everything on this house. So that's your Brava roofing system at a glance. Those are all the components, the underlayments, all the way up to the hip and ridge. Is Brava worth it? I believe 100% that it is. This roof is made to last a lifetime. It's not going anywhere. We're in the morning of day 5. As you can see, we've hit all of our targets so far. We got the whole main roof here done at the end of day 3. We ripped this whole section over here on day 4. We got the pool house weather tight, and it's Friday. We can't work on Saturdays here. Time is of the essence. I don't know if you guys understand this, but this house is worth millions and millions of dollars. And we're getting high wind and heavy rain coming this weekend. If we miss one detail and water pours into this house, we're essentially doing it for free, and we can't let that happen. So we've got to be super careful to make sure that everything is watertight and waterproof, because once we leave today, that's it. There's no coming back tomorrow. We'll get fined from the town. Everything's got to be tight. This roofing system is one of the most expensive ones that you can purchase, and it's trash. And I'm going to tell you why. When I say trash, I mean literal trash. This is made from 100% recycled plastic. Did you know asphalt shingles contribute to 2 million tons in landfills across the country every single year? I mean, that's awful. We do what we can when we can. When a homeowner can choose a Brava product, we're removing some of that waste out of the landfill. We're pulling those plastic bottles, all that unwanted plastic out of the landfills, and we're putting it on your roof. So yes, this roofing system is technically trash, but it comes with a lifetime warranty. Yo, Jake, what's going on, brother?
Hey, what's up, Mikey?
Nothing much, man.
What's up, fellas?
What a job, huh?
Wow, this looks amazing. What's going on, brother?
Not much. How you been?
Good, how are you?
Good, good.
So what do we got going on? Wow, this looks amazing. I can see some of the gutters. We got a little bit of damage over there.
Yeah. So, I mean, good thing the gutters wasn't us. You know, when I did my initial pictures in the morning, I did notice that most of those gutters were damaged already up here, over here on the left. I took a couple of pictures, put it in the company cam file. Those are timestamped 7 a.m. before we put a tarp up on the house. So
nice.
Nothing to worry about there.
Yeah, of course. Oh my gosh, Mike, look at this. I remember we were a little concerned about these copper transitions and how they were going to profile, but man.
No, the pitch difference is like, it's not like a regular mansard. The pitch difference is not that bad, but they do. The copper looks nice.
Oh,
that's going to patina in a couple months. You won't even be able to see them.
Yeah.
One thing I know we were worried about was, you know, there's a lot of work going on here. We said we'd try and play nice and work with all the other companies. It's been going really good. You can see we put our materials here. We got some down over there. Spoke with general contractor. They wanted this section done first, possibly in 3 days, so they can move some kitchen equipment in. Got that done, no problem. Now the homeowner's away on vacation, so we're taking care of the garage. After that's done, they talked about possibly pouring the foundation. So we were going to do the pool house, but instead of the pool house, I think we're going to move on to the front of the house. So I mean, honestly, things have been going as smooth as they could go. No,
I'll be honest, like coming onto this job site and knowing how many contractors are here,
yeah.
This is very organized. Everything looks amazing. How's the customer? Customer's happy?
Customer's happy. The only comment made was that their brand new patio's a little dirty, but nothing a little pressure washer can't handle, right?
Wow, you guys, this is amazing. Doing a great job.
Yeah. No, but everything's going good. So what'd you have to do to get this job?
Listen, you know what? When we came in, we presented the Brava product, which is, we know how amazing that product is. So that product does a lot of selling itself. But yeah, we sat down with the customer, you know, we showed them what we were gonna do. We explained to them what we were gonna do. We gave them our references for all the jobs that we've done, like Brava now, you know, really become the preferred contractor for Brava in the area. So that helps us sell it a lot. And you know, your boy Jake's not too bad of a salesman.
That's what I was waiting for. That's what I was waiting for.
Listen, I am
no lack of confidence on this end. I love it.
In all honesty, if you're watching this, I'm the luckiest sales rep in the world. I have the best platform and the best people behind me, and that's what it takes to be successful in sales. You are not going to do it on your own. You need a team, and I have the best. This is amazing, man. We're excited to be here. I'm very excited for this job. This was a long road to get here, and the fact that we ended up here is absolutely amazing. It's a testament to our team. It's a testament to our process. So it's amazing.
No, it's a great job. I love doing jobs like this. This is fun. Yeah. I mean, we'll do shingle roofs all day, every day. That's our bread and butter. But this is fun.
This is where you get to show off your skills.
Yeah.
And it's going to be amazing. I'm looking forward to this project being completed.